The world of cryptocurrency is exciting enough on its own, but there's this one collaboration coming this year that is enough to shake us with excitement. According to a post by Consensus developer Dan Finlay, the popular crypto wallet MetaMask will merge with MyCrypto. Users will be able to utilize more robust products across many devices as a result of the merging of these wallets, and they will lead the way to Web3. But first, hello and welcome back to the channel Upstep Financial, and we're back with another video about the world of finances. We bring you content about the best financial information, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Finlay praised MyCrypto as a one-of-a-kind crypto wallet with a plethora of features and a consistent ability to adapt and adopt improvements in his blog article. Simultaneously, the application has maintained its user-friendly approach. To discuss this further, let's go ahead and start. Without further ado, let's begin. Is this the first time? The simple answer is not really. According to the post, the two organizations have been working together for years. As a result, this merge appears to be a natural progression for Consensus and MyCrypto. The latter has taken significant steps to include MetaMask into its products, which is unusual for a crypto wallet. Finlay said, "Our wallets have literally interoperated for years. It's a weird thought. While many treat wallet development as a zero-sum game, MyCrypto found a wallet niche where they have been able to bridge so many signers and essential features for Ethereum users to have access to." That said, this merge is a great step for both entities and will keep us on our toes. It's definitely something to look out for. What can this collaboration bring? According to Finlay, the merge will make MetaMask safer, more reliable, and feature-rich. Furthermore, the teams will work to improve their user-centric approach and create more decentralized products. Finlay underlined the milestones that MyCrypto has achieved throughout time, with a special emphasis on Web3. This crypto wallet just launched a web product and desktop application that will work in tandem with MetaMask's apps and browser extensions to give users more options to access Web3. We only have a general idea, but you can already tell that this is one collaboration that we have all been waiting for years. MetaMask expands to lead the internet of the future. The team at Consensus working on the crypto wallet has witnessed a moment of historic growth. As a result, the business will establish security and anti-phishing teams, as well as core libraries, API-focused teams, and developer education teams. Finlay went on to say the following about MetaMask's future when it merges with MyCrypto. "Our roles in the ecosystem are so aligned that I barely feel like I need to point them out. MyCrypto will help MetaMask become safer, more stable, and even more feature-rich. Together, we will continue to build increasingly user-centric, extensible, and decentralized products." According to data provided by Consensus, the blockchain software company behind MetaMask's development, the crypto wallet's user activity has increased dramatically. MetaMask had over 20 million monthly active users in Q4 of 2021. Half of these customers were onboarded between July 2020 and August 2021, when the non-custodial crypto wallet grew by 1,800%, or 19 times. The rising levels of acceptance in the DeFi and NFT sectors fueled the surge in monthly active users. DeFi, Pulse's additional data shows a total value locked, or TVL, of $80.83 billion. Despite the fact that the sector has been severely damaged by the crypto market's recent decline, with TVL falling from $110 billion to its present levels, it is still far greater than its 2020 values, with a consistent upward trajectory. What is MyCrypto? We've been talking so much about MyCrypto that we haven't told you about what it really is. Well, we're going to tell you now. MyCrypto is a web wallet for Ethereum that allows Ledger users to store their Ethers as well as all ERC-20 tokens. It is an open-source web-based wallet that allows you to handle a variety of Ethereum-based tokens while keeping your private keys offline. Ethereum will be used to pay transaction fees when using ERC-20 tokens. What you really own when you buy cryptocurrency is a private key, a crucial piece of data required to authorize outgoing transactions on the blockchain network. Anyone with access to this key can spend the monies linked with it. As a result, the phrase, "not your keys, not your bitcoins," has become well known. Having control over your private keys provides you with a great deal of power and control. Now keep that in mind because we're going to dive deeper into it in our list. The Web3 Wallet. The MyCrypto products you've come to know and love aren't going anywhere anytime soon. Users of MyCrypto are not required to take any action. MyCrypto's affiliation with MetaMask simply means that the two firms will collaborate to produce the strong, user-centric products that you've come to expect from both organizations individually. On the surface, the analogy appears to work, at least historically, because your interactions with a blockchain were previously limited to sending coins from wallet A to wallet B. However, what began as a shaky analogy quickly crumbled as the Ethereum ecosystem grew in popularity and the complexity of on-chain interactions increased exponentially. When you send a transaction today, you might get a quick "out of gas" response, or you might start a chain reaction that affects the balances of wallets, liquidity pools, treasuries, and ultimately the emotional and financial well-being of any number of humans around the world, represented on the network by miniature digital works of art that are part of a slightly less tangled system of contracts that stretch across these same networks. And it's all accessible through your wallet. It's how you buy art, watch your staked assets increase, and participate in the development of the decentralized networks you use. It grants you control over more tangible coins, as well as increasingly ephemeral aspects of your life and identity, such as access and reputation. Building the perfect wallet entails creating a flawlessly secure, flawlessly usable, flawlessly safe, flawlessly beautiful, flawlessly educational product for unknown future people who want to do an infinite number of unknown future things on an infinite number of unknown future platforms on infinite numbers of unknown future networks. The other half is acknowledging that in this new frontier, the wallet is critical to the success of individuals, developers, goods, platforms, and networks. Without the wallet, networks would be unable to reach a consensus on transactions. You wouldn't be able to access your digital authority or harness your power as a self-sovereign participant of the new world without the wallet. In simple words, we all need this wallet. Good day, mate. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. What do you think of the items on the list so far? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. Let's move forward with the video. What does it mean? MetaMask and MyCrypto have been developing and dreaming in parallel. Now, they'll be developing and dreaming simultaneously. They have a lot of work ahead of them if they are to successfully empower everyone who is here today and who will arrive tomorrow. It's no simple endeavor, especially when the crypto market cycles lull you into submission one day and then swarm you with millions of newcomers the next. As a participant in this ecosystem who wants Web3 to achieve its full potential, as well as the leader of a dedicated team of developers, it became clear collaborating with MetaMask was the ideal option for all parties. This industry has a lot of promise, but it hasn't reached its potential yet. MyCrypto and MetaMask aren't there yet either. That said, we all have to wait patiently. It will be well worth the wait. Do users have to do something? Quick answer, none at all. As a user, you don't have to do anything. Your situation is unlikely to change very soon. The MyCrypto products that you are familiar with will continue to function as before. Finally, as a MyCrypto or MetaMask user, you do not need to take any action, so don't worry too much. What does the future hold? In the long run, the entities aim to become a comprehensive Ethereum-first suite of open-source, non-custodial product offerings across every platform that provides a superior way to access unique applications and tokens across multiple accounts, protocols, and networks, becomes increasingly decentralized and trustless, while instilling more confidence in people over time, empowers people to consent to the financial and social systems they choose to be a part of, and becomes increasingly decentralized and trustless while instilling more confidence in people. MyCrypto and MetaMask's products will gradually combine over time, allowing them to communicate more seamlessly. MetaMask and MyCrypto's collaboration is definitely that one shocker, and a good one, of the year. What do you think? Would you still like to invest in crypto? Let us know in the comments. That concludes today's video. We hope you've enjoyed this one, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is Upstep Financial, and we'll see you in our next video. Have a great day!